This is the match code option. So everyone can see my SAP screen, right? Okay. See, this is a customized inquiry type I have created. I'll choose that, and I'll choose the sales organization that I have created. Alright, I'm done with the fields on the first screen. I press enter. So this is the main screen of inquiry creation. I'll enter sold to party, a PO number, a PO rate. When we say PO number, when we create inquiry, we don't have the customer purchase order at this stage. We have to enter the purchase requisition number or the RFQ number given by the customer, or the tender number, or if it is a verbal phone call, we can just say telephone call dated so and so. And let's fill in some dates here. And order quantity 10. So this is all that I need to fill in when I create the inquiry. I press enter. You look at the net value, 250 euros. That has been automatically defaulted based on the master data. We'll have a look at the pricing conditions. So I double click on the item and I reach the item data tab. Go to the conditions tab, and these are the condition types relevant for this sales document and customer combination. Now this price comes from condition records created for that material and customer combination. This HD00 rate, this is another condition type. It's a standard one given by SAP, but there is no value here, and the value is not mandatory also. That's why the system will allow you to save this inquiry without inputting any value for HD00. We can alter this option and make it mandatory if the business so demands, but for this particular case, this condition type is not mandatory. If we want to fill in some information, we can do so. See, we get a message, this condition is not allowed as item condition. What does it mean? Freight will be calculated based on the document itself. So we have to enter HD00 value at the header level instead of item level. So at this screen we can go back. You can go to, this is the tab which is used to reach the header level information. Here we go to the conditions tab. Let's pick HD00 and fill in some amount, say 10. Say this 10 euros, now it has been accepted by the system, but still this value of 10 does not impact the net price of 250 euros, because at the inquiry stage freight is not relevant. Freight will become relevant when you actually deliver the goods. So we can keep it here or we can delete it. Doesn't really impact the total calculation of the price. Come back, save the inquiry, and here you get the message, inquiry 1000128 has been saved. Now we go to create the quotation. we enter VA21. So the inquiry number we have to remember 100000128. Here we enter the quotation type. And on the top left there is a button called create with reference. We click on that and it opens a pop-up with multiple tabs. Now we can create the quotation with reference to inquiry. So this is the place we will enter the information. If we don't remember the inquiry number, we can go and look for it. We can search by purchase order number. And these are the two inquiries that we created. So we can select if we don't remember, and then we can press the copy button. Yeah, here we are in the quotation screen. Everything has been copied. If you look at the price has been copied, the material has been copied, the sold to party has been copied, shipped to party has been copied. Let's see, we are not satisfied with the pricing. We'll go to the conditions tab and we'll change the value here. We make it 35 euros. Right? So the net value has changed. The system has accepted this change, and now the quotation is for 350 euros. Let's say we want to change the quantity as well. The customer wanted 10 pieces, but we say if you buy 20 pieces it will be a good deal for you. So we submit a quote for 20 items. The system gives you a warning message. If you look at the bottom, reference quantity 10 took, total referenced 20. That's okay. That's a check we can configure. So we can still go ahead. Now the net value has changed because of the change in quantity. We'll go and save the order. Save the quotation, sorry. We get a message. Yeah, we forgot one essential field. The system will tell you which fields are missing. Just click on the edit button and it says you didn't enter the dates the quotation is valid to. Double click on this and then click on complete data, and here you can enter the date by when the quotation is going to be valid. So you can as well enter the date when it begins. Then you click on this button on the top left and your document is complete. That's the message you're getting at the bottom. Save it. Your quotation 2000191 has been saved.